Since its inception, Avodahtec has delivered trusted engineering and consulting services to pipeline owners, operators, and pipeline infrastructure developers across diverse sectors. Our pipeline design, engineering, and lifecycle management services provide comprehensive technical expertise across the full pipeline lifecycle, from concept development and detailed engineering to construction support, commissioning, and long-term integrity management. We deliver practical, innovative, and streamlined engineering solutions that ensure pipelines are designed with safety at the forefront, constructed efficiently, and operated reliably throughout their service life. Avodahtec partners with clients in flexible and meaningful ways, whether as a lead engineering contributor on smaller projects, a specialized technical authority on complex systems, or an integrated extension of your internal team from early planning through operation and maintenance. Our experienced professionals help reduce technical risk, support regulatory compliance, extend pipeline asset life, and optimize operational and maintenance costs to deliver pipeline infrastructure that performs today and endures into the future. At Avodahtec, engineering excellence and sustainable infrastructure development guide everything we do. Start a conversation with our experts and discover how our pipeline engineering and lifecycle management services can support your next project.